To set up your table chart, enter the basic parameters and click Continue. If you need to customize the chart from your default layout, click Edit in the upper right-hand corner. Simply remove the number from any table that you want deleted from your table chart. Be sure to use the Delete or Backspace key and not the Space key, as the system will read a space as a character. If you need to reorder the table numbers, you can do that here too. Click Save at the bottom to view your changes. Your default layout is always available in the Edit view, so you can always go back to restore tables or make further changes. You can add tables to the bottom of your table chart using the Add Tables button, but if you need to make your table chart bigger from side to side, you'll need to reset the parameters. Simply click Delete to delete your current table chart and get back to the parameters page. To achieve a staggered table effect, set one of your parameters to be double the size you need, depending on the orientation of your table chart. Then use the Edit mode to delete every other table, alternating rows as you go. Once your table chart is set up, you can easily assign your groups to the tables. Your groups are displayed below. The only people who aren't represented in these groups are people still in the Ungrouped Registrants category on the Manage Registrants page. You'll need to assign them to a group in order to be represented on the table chart. To assign a group to a table, simply select the group at the bottom of the page and click on the table number where you want them to sit. If the number of guests in a group exceeds the number of seats at the table, it will ask you if you want to overbook that table. If the group had a limit set on it on the Manage Registrants page, and that limit is different from the number of seats on the table, it will ask you to assign the same limit to both. The group will take on the limit of the table to which you assign it, but both the group limit and the number of seats per table can be adjusted at any time. You can assign all your groups manually, or you can use the Autofill Remaining option to automatically place all of your groups at available tables. If you need to unassign all of your groups at once, click Unnumber All to return all the groups to the bottom of the page and clear the table chart. To remove a single group from the chart, click the group and then click Unnumbered Tables below. To move a group from one table to another, select the group and choose a new table. If a group has been assigned to a table, you can change the color of that table to reflect any categories you may have. Simply select the group, choose a new color in the lower right-hand corner, and click on the table to change it to that color. Only tables that have groups assigned to them can have their color changed. Click Print in the upper right-hand corner to open a printable version of your table chart that you can either print or save as a PDF to have with you at the event or to send people who may be helping set up the room.